Hello, my name is Christian Stewart, and today we'll be learning about the order of operations for mathematical equations. This lesson follows the Ohio Common Core Mathematics Standards for grades 6 through 8. The domain is expressions and equations, and this lesson focuses on letter C, numbers 2 and 3. For more information, please visit the website listed here. Before we get started on the lesson, I have a challenge for you. I am going to put a math problem on the screen, and I want you to pause this video and try to solve it. Are you ready? Here we go. The math equation is 4 plus 4 times 4 minus 4. What number does that equal? Go on ahead and pause the video now. What number did you get? The most common answers are 28, 16, or 0. This might seem confusing. After all, there can only be one right answer. So how do we know which one it is? Well, we can find out which one is the right answer by using an agreed upon order of operation. The order of operations are a set of rules that tell us what we should do first. The first step in the order of operations is to simplify anything within a parentheses. The next step is to simplify all exponents working from left to right. Then we will perform all multiplications and divisions working from left to right. Finally, we will perform all additions and subtractions, again working from left to right. Let's use these new rules to try that first problem again. Let's rewrite the problem. 4 plus 4 times 4 minus 4. We want to know what that equals. There are no parentheses or exponents in this problem, so we do the multiplication. 4 times 4 is 16. Now let's simplify. 4 plus 16 minus 4 equals. Doing the addition next, we work from left to right. 20 minus 4 equals 16. So the final correct answer is 16. Were you able to get the right answer? If not, check to make sure you did the steps in the right order of operations. This might seem like a lot to remember, but there are actually some tricks to make it easier. The first trick is to take the first letter from each step to spell a word. PEMDAS, spelled P-E-M-D-A-S, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Another way to remember this can be to make a silly sentence out of the letters. For example, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. P-E-M-D-A-S. Here are some more fun examples of sentences that can make it easier to remember. Can you think of any other sentences to help you remember? Okay, now that we know what the order of operations are, let's try another problem. Are you ready? The equation is 20 plus 3, parentheses 5 minus 1, close parentheses. Okay, let's work through this together and see if we get the same answer. The problem was 20 plus 3, parentheses 5 minus 1, close parentheses. The first thing we do is check for those parentheses. We see it says 5 minus 1, that's 4. Simplifying the equation, we now have 20 plus 3, parentheses 4. We take care of that parentheses and multiplication next. 3 times 4 is 12. We now have 20 plus 12. That equals 32. Did you get the right answer? Let's try one more problem. This time, pause the video and use PEMDAS to solve it by yourself. The equation is 48 divided by 3 plus 5. Pause the video and try and solve this now. Let's see how you did. Our equation was 48 divided by 3 plus 5. The first thing we have to do, since there are no parentheses or exponents, is the division. 48 divided by 3 is 16. Then we add 5. That equals 21. Our final answer then is 21. Whenever you're faced with a hard math equation, just keep calm and remember PEMDAS. For more practice and additional problems, check out these websites.